So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to make cupcakes.
Cupcakes? Oh, yeah! To the kitchen.
Another astounding product.
Hi, welcome to Astonishing Products. I'm the guy in the square that asks all the obvious questions. And please welcome our special guest, all the way from Cheshire, England. Please welcome...
Hello! Hello, everybody. I'm so excited! Do you love making cupcakes without the hard cupcake work?
I know I do.
So take everything you know about and say hello to the amazing Cupcakeinator. I'm so excited!
Cupcake or what?
Cupcakeinator! This amazing device takes anything you have in the kitchen.
Did you say anything?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Anything?
I'll get you. You look like a bloody accident. Anything, okay? Take off the lid. Put in, I don't know, a carton of eggs. Why not? Some ketchup. And, I know what you're thinking, even some air freshener. There we go. Close the door. Then place it in the conventional oven. These cupcakes will be done just minutes away.
Did you say minutes away? That's
Possible.
You're not just wrong, you're stupid.
Wait a second.
And you're ugly, just like your mom.
Did you just call my mom ugly?
Stop! I'll meet it. I'll end you. Ooh. I think he has to film. Anything, okay. Take off the thing. And already have it in there. These cupcakes will be done in just minutes away.
Did you say minutes away?
Yes.
You're not just wrong, you're stupid. Amazing Cupcakeinator. I'm so excited.
Cupcake or what?
Cupcakeinator. Wow.
I want to make cupcakes. And so does my frog Sam.